Jen. Hello, John. Jen, what's your favorite class? It's my favorite class, PE lesson and music class. Oh, that's good. Thank you, Jen. Hey, Jen, what's your favorite class? It's my favorite class, science and maths. Oh, that's cool. Thank you. What time it's maths? It's that 9 o'clock. Maths. In Thursday and Friday. Okay. Hello, Sally. Hello, Mary. Sally, what is this? It's my welcome science project. Oh, that's a good idea. Thank you, Mary. Poof. Oh my God, it's that cool and very, very, very good idea. Oh, thank you, thank you. That science class, like? No, I don't. It's my favorite class. Maths and geography. Okay.